Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add music album cover permanently for any song in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first let me show you by opening one music application. Say I have tons of musics, right? So some of my music does not have an album cover, right? So say I don't have a music album cover in the third song, that is the Barry. So how I will add it permanently? So for this, what you need to do, just open the Play Store. In the Play Store, you search this application name as Music ID MP3 Tag Editor. Just search this application. So on the first list, you will see the application Music ID MP3 Tag Editor by Manish Gaikwad. Step on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it. So after that, just click on Open. So it will display all the music that is available on your respective Android smartphones. So now I have already mentioned you the third song, Barry. So what I will do, just click on it, and here you can see a pencil icon on the right above. Just click on it. Now you can see you can edit the tracks, albums, artists, genre, and you can see a black screen, right? This is for the album. So you can see below edit. Just click on it. Now it will take you to the file manager. Say I want to add this picture. So it's being added. Now what you need to do, you can see your plus symbol in the below. Just click on it. Now you can see a message done, all the changes are saved. So let's move back. Now you can see on the third song we have the album cover. So I'll just try to close this application right now, and I will try to open the any music application. Say we'll open, and we'll try to check whether you can see the album cover has been added to my respective edited songs. So in this way you can add music album cover permanently for any song in Android smartphones using these applications named as Music ID MP3 Tag Editor. So if you never known about these cool applications, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.